So do you ever feel kind of stuck, or maybe in a lull, or maybe you're in one of those moods where you just kind of feel like a slug, like you got to like lift yourself to move, and you don't really, honestly, you don't feel like doing something, or you feel like you're just kind of like in a lull during the day or in a week or a month, whatever that is. The cure to that, the cure to almost every feeling of being in a lull, to feeling being stuck, to feeling down, to being in a negative mindset, the cure to all of that is action. Okay, if you can just get up and take that first action step, you'll be so surprised how quickly you can get back into a flow state, and how quickly you can really make your goals become a reality, because a lot of the times it's that lull state that we like, oh, it's just a lull state, I'll wait till tomorrow. I'm not feeling it. If you can just get and make that small action step, it will domino effect and you'll get there a lot faster.